My dear son, it's 7 a.m. now. Wake up, sweetheart. I've prepared breakfast for you. Get up, brush your teeth, and come eat.
Oh, Mom, I'm getting up. I still feel a little sleepy.
Yes, I know, but if you get late, your whole day will get messed up. You have school today, right?
Yes, Mom, I do. But can I go a little late today?
No, dear. Going late is not a good habit. If you wake up early, your whole day becomes easier. Come on, sit up. I'm opening the curtains so the light comes in. Your toothbrush and paste are in the bathroom. I've also warmed the water so you won't feel cold.
Okay, Mom, I am getting up. What did you cook for breakfast today?
I made your favorite fried egg and roti. And there's a banana too. It'll give you energy for the whole day.
Wow! Then I guess I have to wake up. Wait a little. I'll wash my face and come.
Very good. And listen, brush properly. Not just a little, brush for 2 full minutes.
I know, Mom. You say this every day.
I say it, but you never listen.
Okay, Mom. Today I'll do it properly. You set the breakfast on the table.
All right, dear. Come quickly. The food will get cold. My baby boy. Did you brush properly?
Yes, Mom, I brushed well today. I did it for 2 full minutes. You said food stuck between teeth causes problems.
Wow, you're being very responsible today. Come here. I'm putting roti and fried egg on your plate.
Mom, did you fry the egg round today?
Yes, because you like your eggs round. And I put a banana on the side. It will give you energy for the whole day.
I also packed your favorite cake and an apple in your tiffin.
And your water bottle is filled and ready.
Nice. Mom, do you know what we will learn at school today?
You told me today your English class will teach a new story, and in math you'll learn addition and subtraction.
Mom, what will you cook for lunch today?
You go to school first. When you come home, I'll keep rice, lentils, and chicken ready for you. You love chicken, don't you?
Yes, Mom, I love it so much. Okay, I'm done with breakfast. Let me get my school bag.
All right, double check your bag. Make sure your books, notebooks, and pencil box are all there.
Mom, my bag is ready. I'm leaving for school now.
Check properly, dear. Do you have everything? Books, notebooks, water bottle?
Yes, Mom, everything is there. I have a maths test today, but I'm not scared.
Good. You study well, nothing to be afraid of. Just try your best.
Okay, Mom, I'm going.
All right, dear. Go safely. Be careful when crossing the road. And behave nicely with your friends.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.
Have a wonderful day, my child.
Children, I hope all of you are doing very well today. Today I will teach you some new and unfamiliar English words. Everyone, pay attention. Let's begin. The first word is pain. Pain means when someone gets hurt or feels discomfort, we say that he feels pain.
Miss, like if I fall down, then my hand will feel pain?
Exactly. Very good. The second word is brave. Brave means someone who is courageous. A person who speaks the truth without fear or helps others. He is a brave person.
Miss, are superheroes brave?
Yes, they are very brave. The third word is journey. Journey means traveling or going somewhere.
Miss, when we come to school, is that also a journey?
Exactly, a small journey. And when you go to a far place, that becomes a long journey. The fourth word is proud. Proud means feeling happy or honored. When your parents see your good work, they feel proud of you.
Miss,
are you
proud of us?
Of course! You are learning with so much attention. I am proud of all of you. Today we learned pain, brave, journey, proud. Great job! You all did very well today. We will learn more new words in the next class.
So, dear, how was school today?
Good, Mom. I learned some new English words today.
Wow, what words did you learn?
Pain, brave, journey, and proud.
Oh, that's wonderful. You learned with so much attention.
Yes, Mom, I'm very hungry.
All right, wash your hands and face. I'm serving lunch.
Okay, Mom, I'm coming.